Good afternoon, students. I hope all of you are fine. It's time to begin the poem The Shed. So, shed means a place somewhere in home. It's like a small room. We used to shelter animals in shed. You used to herd a cow shed or tool shed. Okay. So, this particular poem uh, is about the particular shed which is situated in the poet's house. So there is a shed at the bottom of the poet's garden, and the poet wishes to visit it one day. Okay. So there is a spider's web on the door of the shed, and its hinges are rusty and creak when the wind blows. Okay, so the poet often thinks about it while lying in his bed. On one side of the shed, there is a dusty window. There is a dusty window, and three of its window panes are broken. Okay, so the poet feels as if someone stares at him through the window, and whenever the poet visits the shed, he would like to find out who lives there. Okay. The poet's brother informs him that a ghost lives inside the shed. There was a ghost in the shed. Who informed the poet? His brother. And if the poet dares to enter the shed, the ghost would chop off his head. Despite these warnings, the poet wishes to visit the shed and peep inside. Okay. Now, the poet believes that his brother tells his imaginative stories about the ghost as he wants to keep the shed for himself. The poet no longer feels anyone staring at him or hears any strange noises coming from the shed. The spider too is no longer there, thus, very soon he would go inside the shed. Very soon, the poet would come to know that there was no one, no ghost, nothing. Okay, so I will explain you in next video paragraph. Okay, all the stanzas. So till then, stay safe, stay home. Goodbye.